Rightio, so it's been a pretty cold, wet night. I'm going to pack this up here, show you how easy it is to pack all this up. First I'll just give it a bit of a shake, undo the little bow in here. This one. And because it's so wet, it's going to do up the door. Alright. It just comes off. These poles just go away. Do that one at the end. This pole just sits in here, like that. I've got the door closed. And as soon as we get home, of course, we'll have to give it a good dry out. It's really important. It is still wet in there. All packed away. And this one, same again. So with the windows closed, that'll stay all nice and dry. And that's it. Right, that's 10 all packed up. Pretty easy.